Hello, this is to help you purchase tickets for Anoka Middle School for the Arts Theater through the ticket service ShowTix4U. First thing you're going to want to do is pick your browser. We have found that Google Chrome and Firefox are your best options. Some of our customers have had issues with Safari. So we're going to use Google Chrome. So we're going to get that open, and then we're going to go to amsatheater.org. And when you are on that page, you're going to scroll down to where the icon that says click here to buy tickets is. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to take you to the screen that has the various performances. In this case, we have Charlie Brown Christmas, Charlotte's Web, and Mary Poppins Jr. to choose from. We're going to buy tickets for a Charlie Brown Christmas. We're going to click on the word show dates, and you'll see a drop-down menu that will give you options of dates. So there is this tab here on the side that allows you to scroll down to the dates. We're going to pick Saturday, December 1st. And we want to do the, is that the one you want?
Yep.
We're going to pick the 7:30 performance. Now you'll see on the screen here, there are blue spots and green spots. The blue spots mean that that ticket is not available. So we're going to click on the tickets that we want. And it's marked stage, so you know that this is the front section here where you're going to be looking. So we're going to click the tickets that we want. And when you click a ticket, you're going to get this pop-up menu that is going to ask you what type of ticket you're buying. Are you buying an adult, a senior, or a student? And student tickets are 18 years and under, or are you buying a 5 years and under? So we're going to go ahead and click on the ticket price that we want, and then we're going to add it to our cart. And you'll notice on the side, it shows you that you've picked center section, row E, seat 114, and it's the $5 ticket. So we're going to buy another ticket, and this one another student ticket price. And again, that's adding to your cart on the side, and it's also showing you your total. And a ticket 5 years and under. And now we've purchased the 3 tickets we want, so we're going to check out by clicking the checkout button. And it does offer an option if you would like to make an additional donation, and they're going to be making a donation of $1. If you did have a coupon, you would enter that coupon code. We do not have a coupon code at this point. For your shipping method, you've got another drop-down option where you can pick up your tickets at the theater window, or you can have your ticket emailed to you. Now, please be aware that if you email your ticket to you and for whatever reason you've lost that email, you can let us know at the box office when you arrive, and we can pull up your order and reprint it. Or if you don't have a printer at home where you can print out your tickets, we're also fine with you showing your tickets via your mobile device. So we've clicked on email us the tickets, and then going to click the checkout button again. And then we're going to scroll down, and it's going to ask for your email address. And we need your email address because we need to know where to send those tickets to. And then you're going to enter your first name and your last name. We do have the option to go on a mailing list. You can click yes if you'd like to do that, or no. If you click no, it does take away the address information. If you click yes, it will allow you to enter your mailing address. We also have an email mailing address, and you have the option to be on that and simply by clicking yes or no. Then you're going to click pay with card. And here it's going to ask you to enter your credit card information. So make sure you carefully enter your information so that it matches what is on your card. After you've entered your general card information, you're going to make sure you put the expiration date, month, and year. And on the back of your card, there's a number called a CVC number. So flip your card over, and next to the signature area is a 3-digit number. And then it's lastly going to ask you to enter your zip code. And then click pay. and you will get a email confirmation. And it's that simple. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call at 763-506-FMMS. Again, 763-506-FMMS.